Welcome to the channel Yardman Farming TV. Thanks for stopping by. Big up on yourself when I watch from Yard or Abroad. So today, a lot of persons have sweet pepper, also them scotch bonnet pepper. Normally what I use on my sweet pepper or my scotch bonnet pepper to give it a little more flavor and also give it some growth, the size. I normally use Epsom salt. So keep on watching, guys. So this is my Epsom salt, USP and food grade. Yeah man, so see it. So I want to big up Sandy. Yeah man, Sandy had sponsored me this Epsom salt. Big up yourself, Sandy, anyway the yard or abroad. Big up yourself, one love and one heart. Yeah man, so these are the Epsom salt. Good for plants, my people. So use up on the Epsom salt in the garden and you see the result of it. Backyard farming, I normally have my soap liquid. As you can see, Palmolive in a spray bottle. So this is what I use as an organic spray. So I'm gonna mix some. I'm gonna do some pruning also. So I'm gonna mix some and spray it on my pepper plant. So you don't need much soap liquid, just a little bit. I use as my organic spray. And shake it up. Yeah man, so I spray it down with the soap liquid. Very good organic spray to keep away bugs and all those pests. Look on the size, scotch bonnet pepper. So look at this leaf right here. As you can see, it's curling. So this is not a good sign of the pepper plant. Normally this would be some form of disease. So you're gonna try to remove as much as possible. So I'm gonna do some pruning also. So when I'm pruning the pepper, I normally prune very far away. Look at this. These are the disease ones, so I remove it. I remove most of the disease off of it because this will cause harm to the plants. So pruning give you a better growth. A lot of produce. So I am at the root of the pepper tree. As you can see right here, this is a new stem coming right here. So I'm gonna remove it. The reason why I'm removing it, because that will suck down the growth of the plant. So I'm gonna remove it. You can see a little bit of fungus. So I remove this piece also. So pruning is very important. Yeah man, so them are the real scotch bonnet pepper. So normally to give the pepper some nice flavor, I normally use some Epsom salt. So keep on watching, guys. So I have my Epsom salt right here. Yeah, you can go to any of your food store and get your Epsom salt. So normally I take about a handful of Epsom salt. See, I'm right very close to the root. So I'm gonna sprinkle it very close to the root. So you give the pepper a better growth and also a nice flavor. Yeah man, so I have to remove all them other plants from around it. So thank you guys for watching my channel, Yardman Farming TV. Thanks for watching my channel, Yardman Farming TV.